Hey tech enthusiasts, ready for a sneak peek into the future of cybersecurity? Let's dive into the top trends shaping 2025. First up, artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI and ML are already game changers, but by 2025, they'll be even more integrated into our security systems. Think faster threat detection and smarter response times. But remember, cybercriminals are also getting smarter with AI. Next, quantum computing. This tech will soon shake up encryption as we know it. Traditional methods? They'll be history. Companies will need quantum-safe encryption to protect sensitive data. Then we have zero-trust architecture. By 2025, zero trust won't just be best practice, it'll be standard. Trust no one by default, verify everything. Strong verification and continuous monitoring will be the norm. Extended detection and response, or XDR, is another trend to watch. It's like EDR, but on steroids. XDR integrates data across the board, giving security teams a holistic view of threats. Critical infrastructure is also under the spotlight. With more attacks targeting utilities and transport, we're seeing tighter regulations and robust security standards. Security automation and orchestration will help teams manage the flood of security alerts. Automation reduces errors and lets the pros focus on strategic tasks. Watch out for deepfake technology. By 2025, deepfakes will be even more convincing, making social engineering attacks scarier. Companies will need new tools to detect and counter these threats. Data privacy regulations are tightening worldwide. More countries, more laws, more compliance challenges. Businesses must adapt quickly to stay legal and secure. Cyber insurance will rise too, but insurers will demand stricter security measures before issuing policies. It's all about proactive risk management. Finally, strengthening cybersecurity in the supply chain. Supply chain attacks are sneaky and destructive. By 2025, businesses will enforce stringent standards for their vendors to secure the entire chain. So there you have it. These trends are shaping the future of cybersecurity. Stay ahead, stay safe, and keep innovating. Catch you in the next video.